I have your fortune here. Someday soon you will order the extra spicy, but later wish you'd ordered the mild.
Likely.
Oops! I guess I ripped my pants again!
Yeah.
We can send robots into the oceans, we can send robots into volcanoes, and now we can even land one on Mars. Why aren't they in our homes?
A few moments later.
I am Cynthia Brazil. I am the founder of Jibo, and I'm also the Chief Experience Officer. When I think of an intelligent technology coming to the home, I don't only think of it as an innovator and a scientist. I also think about it as a spouse and as a mother. And I want that technology to truly enrich my life and that of my family. We've worked to develop a helpful companion, something that's not only useful, but is also uniquely personal. So whether we're talking about adults or kids or seniors, we've gotten one piece of feedback that's very consistent. With Jibo, I form an emotional connection. He makes me laugh, he makes me smile. He's really there to add value as this unique kind of experience in the home. And I think one of the most important things to appreciate about Jibo is he's not just a product or a device. He is an experience, and we wanted to come up with an industrial design for him that was truly unique. One of the most defining attributes of Jibo is not just his form, but the way he moves. He's all about circles and curves and these fluid movements, and that conveys this sort of lifelike emotive quality to Jibo that you just don't see. I believe that technology can be designed to enhance our humanity, and that's fundamentally different. And I think that's profoundly important when we talk about bringing technology into the home. Jibo's hardware design is one of the reasons why he's so unique. He can see you and learn your face. He has 6 microphones so we can hear where noises are coming from and turn and look at you. So you actually feel like he's talking to you rather than talking at you. And he responds to your touch. Interacting and communicating with Jibo is much more like communicating with someone than a something. For AI to truly fulfill its potential, it needs to be more than information and transaction and utility. It needs to elevate the human experience so that we can be more. And that's what we're trying to achieve at Jibo.
Yeah.
Hey Aaron,
Hey, pal.
do you want to hear a fun fact?
Sure.
I have your fortune here. Someday soon you will order the extra spicy, but later wish you'd ordered the mild.
Likely.
Meet Jibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
Yeah.